Bullish torrential slide cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $78.23 and $147.77 by 2030. Market experts accept AVAX could reach $60.85 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $13.91. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that takes into consideration genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a feasible contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD. Moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma. The issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to remove Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for savvy contracts. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work and verification of stake. Torrential slide likewise has an extraordinary element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide current cost. Torrential slide is presently worth $17.38 USD. AVAX has moved 2.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $159,792,624. Torrential slide is presently positioned 16 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,666,619,868 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous torrential slide market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The AVAX cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $26.08. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $24.34 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. AVAX is supposed to have a base worth of $20.86. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Torrential slide AVAX cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $43.46. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the AVAX's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $34.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $38.25. Torrential slide value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $60.85 and AVAX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $55.63 and a low of $52.15 in 2025. Torrential slide value expectation 2026 assuming that torrential slide effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers. The AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2026. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $78.23, with a base cost of $69.54 and a typical cost of $73.02. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $90.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $86.92 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a most extreme value worth of $95.62. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $107.78. In the event that AVAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $113. Neglecting to accumulate the help AVAX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $104.31. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2029. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $121.69 and a yearly cost close above $130.38 in 2029. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Torrential Slide will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $139.08 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $147.77, averaging out at $142.55. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest AVAX cost in 2031 is projected to be $170.37 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $163.42. And generally, Torrential Slide appears to be an extremely encouraging undertaking with a great deal of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, as a rule, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the Torrential Slide cost today? Torrential Slide is exchanging at $17.38 with an all-out market capitalization of $5,666,619,868. Is Torrential Slide a wise venture? Torrential Slide ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that AVAX is a decent decision of venture. How high can Torrential Slide go? The typical cost of Torrential Slide might potentially reach $24.34 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Torrential Slide might outperform $113. What amount will Torrential Slide be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital currency and Torrential Slide, a drawn-out interest in AVAX could see the value ascend to $113 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Torrential Slide be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Torrential Slide today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of AVAX might actually ascend to $220.79 inside